So, good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to keep on with the question words. Today we are going to learn the question word how. We are going to learn how to use the question word how, right? So, I'm going to ask some questions using the question word how. So, guys, what you have to do is to listen to me, and if possible, try to make your own sentences. I mean, try to ask some questions using the question word how, right? Today we are going to learn the question word how, right? So I'm going to give you some example. I'm going to ask some questions by using the question word how, right? How do you go to church? That's the first question using the question word how. How do you go to church? How do you go to church? The second question that I'm going to ask by using the question word how is, how can I improve my English quickly? How can I, excuse me, how can I learn English quickly? How can I learn English quickly? How does she cook meat? How does she cook meat? So let me repeat my questions using the question word how. How do you go to church? How do you go to church? The second example, how can I learn English quickly? How can I learn English quickly? The third one, how does she cook meat? How does she cook meat? So I'm going to give you the note. I mean how to use the question word how. So we use the question word how to describe the manner, in which something is done, right? Let me repeat again. We use the question word how to describe the manner that something is done. We use the question word how to describe the manner something is done. So here we want to know the way. We want to know the way in which something is done, right? So the other question word that we are going to learn today is how to use the question word how many. How many? So I can ask you, for example, how many books did you read last month? How many books did you read last month? You can say, I read 6 books, for example. I read 6 books. This is as an answer. You can say 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth, right? So the second question, using how many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? The third one, how many wives does he have? How many wives does he have? You can say he has 2 wives, for example, right? So we are going to learn how to use the question word how. So we use the question, we ask a question, right? We ask a question using the question word how to refer to quantity. And how many is also it is used with countable nouns. I mean, nouns, nouns of things that you can count. And these nouns must be in the plural, right? I repeat again. We use the question word how many to refer to quantity. And how many is used with countable nouns, which are in the plural, right? So thank you so much, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. So what you have to do is to watch this video. You watch it again and again, and then try to ask questions, your own questions, using the question words how and how many, right? So thank you so much. May God bless you all. Goodbye.